NordVPN is the most popular VPN out there, and there is a huge reason why. Number one, it's probably the fastest connection to a VPN anywhere in the world compared to the next top two, I would say Express and Surfshark. Now, the fast isn't just the reason why people love this. It also loves it because the amount of servers that can be used, so when it's controlled, you cannot be blocked, okay? If they try and block, say Netflix try and block one of the IP addresses, it will instantly find a new one that is not blocked, and that's why NordVPN is very special. Now, today what I'm going to show you is something very incredible. I am in Indonesia right now. This is where I live, and I cannot access websites like gate.io. I'm going to show you how NordVPN can solve that for you. Okay, let's get straight into the video. So you can see on the right-hand side, I've got my NordVPN, okay, and on the left-hand side, I've searched for gate.io. This is a exchange that I really need to be able to get connected to, okay? Now I'm in Indonesia, I live a paradise life, but I cannot get on this website, and many like this. So what do I have to do? I have to open NordVPN. Now, there's two things you could do. You could do a quick connect, or you could choose the country of your choice. For me, I know that I can access gate.io from England, so I'm going to connect to the United Kingdom. Okay, it's going to do it, and there you see, within 3 seconds, we are connected to the best server in the United Kingdom at that point. Now, I can change it to wherever in the United Kingdom I want. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is show you that if I click on gate.io, it's actually not going to allow me into the website. Okay, it's going to come up with a page saying you are restricted or some of that sort. Here you go. You can see this site cannot be reached. Okay, that is because I am in Indonesia. Okay, so let's go back. The same page, but now we're going to use NordVPN. I'm going to click on, let's say, the United Arab Emirates. I'm going to click on here. Within 3 seconds, there you go. Before I even finished my sentence, we have connected to Dubai, which is the fastest there right now. And I'm going to click gate.io again and see what happens. This is the same Google search. Nothing else has changed apart from I'm clicking gate.io. And you can see it is opened and asking me to log in on my account. Unbelievable, guys. All right, there might be some countries that don't allow websites, but with NordVPN, you can change all of that. And just to show you again that I'm not wrong, once I disconnect, you can see here, disconnecting, okay? I go and try and refresh this page. It will no longer allow me to log into this site. So if you want to get around getting into exchanges, crypto sites, things like that, NordVPN is the one for you. Look at this. I click gate.io again. In Indonesia, I am not allowed. All right, guys, so this is an easy way. Now, the next best thing is NordVPN right now has a deal on, but it is not as good as the deal you have underneath this video. I'm going to show you an example. 70% off NordVPN with 3 extra months. If you click my link, you're going to get 73% off with 4 extra months. You see the difference here, guys, okay? 4 extra months right here, 3 extra months, and you're going to get an extra 3% off. And just to show you the truth on this, okay, look at this. You can see here as we go through, if you want to go for the most popular, you're going to save 71%. With my link, you're going to save 73%, guys. It's a no-brainer to choose that link underneath where you're only going to pay $94 for the first 2 years. That is unbelievable. All right, so make sure you hit that link down below and get NordVPN. If you are trying to get in a site and it says blocked, there is solutions for it. Hit that link down below, pay a little fee, and get involved, guys. NordVPN is the #1 out there. Let's get there. If you want to use gate.io, if you want to use all these exchanges, I just gave you the solution. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified, and I'll see you next time.